smile on your face makes it easy to trust you.
It's 340 grams of hair, 22 inches. That is a shit ton of hair. I got the color jet black. They were originally $3.19. I did use a discount code, Emma. I literally just went on YouTube and I was like, discount code. So this was $314 with 99 cents. Plus shipping, which was $12.50. The total for these hair extensions came out to $327 with 49 cents. It's really pricey, but I do love these hair extensions. I've purchased them before. They have lasted me a long time. See, the thing with hair extensions, they'll last you. You just gotta take care of them. I just opened the box. The website does say that it'll take about 5 to 7 business days. This came to me Saturday, August 11th, and I had ordered it August 3rd. It took about 6 business days, which isn't too bad. You first open the box. It comes with these 2 pieces. This is where you hang your hair extensions. You just open this, flip this up. You literally just stick this in here. You know, night out with your girls, twerking everywhere. It's gonna get naughty. So you wanna make sure when you come home, comb them and then put them away. Don't sleep in them. This is the box where the hair extensions are in. Once you open this, what you get, the professional detangling brush. I love these brushes. They really do make a difference. So if you don't get the Boogati set, you will just get 1 instead of 2. You wanna make sure that you only open this part right here. I cannot stress this enough. It says right here, once opened, warranty is voided. This little piece of extension, this is the tester. You want to open that and you want to make sure that it matches your hair color, because if it doesn't, you can return it. Yeah. Ghost. I'm sorry guys, I'm filming in my room and that's my dog. Pretty much it. Ghost. Seriously? This is the volumizing piece. This one piece itself is 120 grams. This is pretty much what makes Boogati hair extensions. You guys, he's trying to bite my hair extensions. Open. Ghost, open. Be a good boy, puppy. Open. Go. He just came on the other side. Ghost. You're being a good boy. Okay, I'm gonna have to put you downstairs for a second. Come here. Before I was rudely interrupted by my dog, this set comes with 2 2-pieces. 2 3-pieces, 2 4-pieces, the Boogati 5-clip hair extension. This is all the hair, which is a lot. I'm gonna try them on right now just to see how they look. This is all of the hair extensions in, which is a shit ton of hair, but I don't think it looks bad on. I think I could really pull it off like this is all my hair. They're super thick, silky smooth. They feel so good. I'm definitely gonna get them trimmed and layered and just customized to my hair so that it just looks a lot more natural. The Bellami Boogati hair extension.
That smile on your face makes it easy to trust you.